Welcome to Session 22, Perimeter, Circumference, and Area Measurement. Perimeter and circumference measure boundary length, while area measures coverage. You will select formulas from meaning, keep dimensions in compatible units, convert square units correctly, and use unit type to detect the wrong operation. Perimeter and circumference measure distance around a boundary, so they use linear units. Area measures a two-dimensional surface and uses square units. Fencing, trim, and circular tracks suggest boundary. Flooring, paint coverage, and tiles suggest area. Name the requested quantity before selecting a formula. A rectangle is 8 feet long and 5 feet wide. Perimeter is 2 times length plus 2 times width. 16 plus 10 equals 26 feet. Area is length times width. 8 times 5 equals 40 square feet. The units distinguish boundary from coverage. A circle has diameter 10 centimeters. Circumference equals pi times diameter, so the exact circumference is 10 pi centimeters. Using pi approximately 3.14 gives about 31.4 centimeters. Circumference is boundary length, so the unit remains linear centimeters. Convert 4 square yards to square feet. 1 yard equals 3 feet, so 1 square yard equals 3 feet times 3 feet, or 9 square feet. Multiply 4 by 9 to obtain 36 square feet. The linear factor is squared because area has 2 dimensions. Formulas carry dimensional meaning. Adding lengths in a perimeter formula produces length. Multiplying length by width produces square units. Circle area uses radius squared, not diameter, and not unsquared radius. If an area answer is reported in linear units, the calculation or the unit label is incomplete. Checkpoint. How many square feet are in 3 square yards? 1 square yard equals 9 square feet because the linear factor 3 is squared. 3 times 9 equals 27 square feet. Choice C is correct. Decide whether the question asks for boundary or coverage. Write the formula before substituting. Convert all dimensions to 1 unit, and report linear units for perimeter or circumference and square units for area. Continue learning and practicing at bridge2exam.com.